Welcome to LawSnoop, where we break down legal myths and uncover the truth behind complex cases. Today's topic is truck accident evidence preservation demystified, myths versus reality in building a case. Before we begin, please remember this video is for educational purposes only. It does not provide legal advice, and for guidance on your specific situation, you should consult a licensed attorney. One common myth is that evidence from a truck crash will always be available when victims need it. In reality, critical records like driver logs, maintenance files, and black box data can be altered, lost, or even destroyed if they aren't preserved quickly. Another myth is that victims don't need to act right away. The truth is, trucking companies often move fast to protect themselves, and delays can mean losing the very proof that establishes fault. Preservation letters, court orders, and immediate investigation are often necessary to secure evidence before it disappears. Some people also believe that photos and witness statements are enough to build a case. In fact, successful lawsuits often require a step-by-step approach, documenting the crash scene, securing electronic data, gathering medical records, and uncovering company policies that reveal negligence. Understanding the reality of evidence preservation is essential. It ensures victims know how to protect their rights, build a strong case, and avoid being misled by myths that could weaken their claim. Thanks for listening to LawSnoop, where we bust legal myths and bring clarity to complex issues. Be sure to join us for more episodes as we continue uncovering the truths behind the law. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Every case is unique, so always seek advice from a licensed attorney about your specific situation.